Have you ever watched your world collapse? Not because of enemies, not because of storms, but because you thought you were greater than God Himself? We all spoke one tongue, one language. No barriers, no confusion, just unity. Together we dreamed of greatness. We found the plain of Shinar, and we said, "Here, let us build." Stone was scarce, but we made bricks, burning them hard and strong. With tar for mortar, we built something no man had ever dared. A city with a tower that would touch the very heavens. Our leader cried out, "Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered across the earth." And we believed him. With every brick laid, pride grew higher than the walls themselves. The sun beat down on our backs, sweat dripping into the clay, turning it sticky and heavy. Our hands were raw, our voices hoarse from shouting and chanting, yet we pushed on, each brick a testament to our ambition. Some of the older men muttered quietly, cautioning about the heavens, about God's watchful eyes, but their words were lost amidst the hammering and shouting. We were united, yet I felt a tremor of unease. But in the back of my mind, I wondered, are we building for God or for ourselves? Every stone we laid seemed to whisper back at me, questioning our motives. Was it glory we sought, or the folly of men trying to reach the very heavens? The higher we built, the more invincible we felt. We looked at the heavens and thought, nothing can stop us now. Yet, something strange began. The man beside me called for water, but his words made no sense. I asked another for tools, but his reply was gibberish. In one moment, our unity shattered. Voices clashed like thunder. Brothers could no longer understand each other. Friends shouted, leaders screamed, but no one could make sense. Hands waved frantically, bricks tumbled from scaffolding, ropes snapped under strain, and the sound of chaos drowned out every familiar voice. I reached for the man beside me, and he recoiled, his eyes wide with fear. His words, my own tongue, meant nothing, nothing at all. The tower stood tall, but the people crumbled beneath it. Every plan we had made, every prayer we had ignored, every moment of pride, it all fell apart in an instant. The unity we had once treasured vanished in a heartbeat. Friends became strangers, and our laughter turned to panic. All around me, men and women fled in confusion, carrying only what they could grab, leaving our dreams to crumble stone by stone. It was as if heaven itself reached down and scattered our tongues like dust in the wind. We abandoned the city. Families split apart. Tribes wandered in every direction. The dream of Babel was over. The tower became a monument, not to greatness, but to confusion. They called it Babel because there, the Lord confused the language of all the earth. And now I ask you, whose name are you building for? Are you chasing your own glory or lifting high the name of God? Babel teaches us this. Pride divides, but God unites. Our plans crumble, but His purpose endures forever. What would you have done if you were there in Babel? Would you keep building for yourself or surrender to God's greater plan? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.